Good morning students. Today we are going to understand next two sums from accounting ratios and analysis. Sum number 18. From the following information of B Company Limited, calculate debtors turnover and collection period in days. What will be answer if collection period is calculated in terms of weeks and months? Here assume 360 days of the year. So students, we have to find out here debtors turnover. Debtors turnover equals to credit sales divided by average trade receivables. So credit sales is given, we have to find out average trade receivables. So first of all we will find out total opening trade receivables equals to opening debtors plus opening bills receivable. Opening debtors are 70,000, opening bills receivable 20,000. So total opening trade receivables are 90,000. Same way we will find out total closing trade receivables. Equals to closing debtors plus closing bills receivable. Closing debtors are 50,000 and closing bills receivables are 6,000. 50,000 plus 6,000. Then we will get 56,000 rupees. These are total closing trade receivables. After that we will find out average trade receivables equals to opening trade receivables plus closing trade receivables divided by 2. 90,000 plus 56,000 divided by 2. 1,46,000 divided by 2. 73,000. These are average trade receivables. Now we will put values in the formula. Credit sales 3,65,000 divided by average trade receivables, we have found out 73,000. 3,65,000 divided by 73,000, we will get 5 times. So it is debtors turnover, and this is our one of answer. Next we have to find out collection period. In days. Here days are given 360 divided by debtors turnover. 360 divided by debtors turnover is 5. 360 divided by 5, we will get 72 days. It is collection period in days. It is one of answer. Then we have to find out collection period in weeks. In a year there are 52 weeks, so 52 divided by debtors turnover, 52 divided by 5, we will get 10.4 weeks. It is also our answer. Then we have to find out collection period in months. There are 12 months in a year, then 12 divided by debtors turnover, 12 divided by 5, we will get 2.4 months. And this is also our answer. इसी के साथ स्टूडेंट्स हमारा सम नंबर 18 फिनिश होता है. अब करेंगे नेक्स्ट सम नंबर 19. फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ सी कंपनी लिमिटेड कैलकुलेट creditors turnover and payment period in days. What will be answer if payment period is calculated in terms of weeks and months? Assume 360 days of the year. So days are given here 360. So we have to find here creditors turnover. The formula for creditors turnover equals to credit purchase divided by average trade payables. Here credit purchase is not given, but we can find out from total purchase and cash purchase. So credit purchase equals to total purchase minus cash purchase. Total purchase is 6 lakh and cash purchase is 2,40,000. 6 lakh minus 2,40,000, we will get 3,60,000 credit purchase. Then we will find out total opening trade payables. Equals to opening creditors plus opening bill payable. Opening creditors are 45,000 and opening bills payables are 15,000. 45,000 plus 15,000, we will get 60,000 rupees. These are total opening trade payables. Then we will find out total closing trade payables. Equals to closing creditors plus closing bill payable. Equals to closing creditors are 40,000 and bills payable closing 20,000. 40,000 plus 20,000, 60,000. These are total closing trade payables. Now we will find out average trade payables equals to opening trade payables plus closing trade payables. Students, you can write like also opening balance of trade payables plus closing balance of trade payables upon 2. Opening trade payables 60,000 and closing trade payables 60,000. 60,000 plus 60,000 upon 2. 60,000 plus 60,000, 1,20,000 divided by 2. 60,000 will be average trade payables. Then we will put the values in the formula. Credit purchase 3,60,000 divided by average trade payables 60,000. 3,60,000 divided by 60,000, we will get 6 times. This is the answer of creditors turnover. Then we have to find out here payment period. Payment period in days. Days are given here 360 divided by creditors turnover. (360) divided by 6, then we will get 60 days. This is payment period in days. Then we have to find out payment period in weeks. In a year there are 52 weeks. 52 divided by creditors turnover. (52) divided by 6, we will get 8.67 weeks. This is payment period in weeks. Then we have to find out payment period in months, and in a year there are 12 months. 12 divided by creditors turnover. 12 divided by 6, we will get 2 months, and this is payment period in months. स्टूडेंट्स, इसी के साथ कंप्लीट होता है हमारा सम नंबर 19 एंड ऑल्सो कंप्लीटेड द चैप्टर. स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको हमारा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू सपोर्ट अस. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.